Hello friends, in this video I will show how to insert serial number in Google Worksheet. So to insert serial number, to add serial number, there are some easy and simple way. Just follow these steps. Type the number from where you want to insert a serial number, like from 1. So type 1, click anyway. Again select this number. Now press and hold Ctrl and drag and drop like this. Number 1, click anyway and drag and drop. You want to start from any particular number, like from 11. Type 11, Control and hold and drag and drop. Another way, type 1, 2. Another way, type 1, 2, 3 and select and double click on this dot. Now double click this dot. Now press and hold Control key and double click here. So this is the fastest way to insert serial number. 1, 2, click anyway. Press and hold Control and double click on this dot. So thanks for watching.